Do you know where you're at right now, hon?
You know what city you're in?
Open this. Oh. Just sit down right.
On the morning of March 2nd, 2024, in Lafayette, Louisiana, what deputies encountered wasn't just an injured woman, it was a scene that raised more questions than answers. Amanda appeared seemingly out of nowhere, severely burned across her head, shoulders, and stomach. She had no idea where she was, no idea who hurt her, and no clear memory of how she got there. In cases like this, the first 20 minutes on scene are critical because the story the victim tells right now, in shock, in pain, with no time to think, that's often the closest version to the truth investigators will ever get.
Where were you from? Where'd you come from?
Down that way somewhere.
Down this way? Okay. You want to have a seat right here?
My stomach hurts.
Where did you get kicked or
Burned.
burned? Was it with oil or hot water?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
I just want the ambulance.
Okay. You want to go down here? Let's, have something to lean up on. Can you walk down here for me? I got you. Can you see where you're going? Okay. I'm gonna guide you a little bit, okay? I got you. You ain't burned on your shoulders, are you? You burned on your shoulders?
My head.
And your head as well? Okay. All right. Let's walk down this way. What's your name, sweetie?
Amanda.
Amanda? What's your last name, Amanda? Where'd you come from?
I don't know what street it was. I can't even see.
Okay. Was it who are you with? Who's the one that assaulted you?
I don't know his name.
You don't know his name? Can you give me a description of him?
No.
Were you inside his house? Was it someone that you were staying with?
No.
Okay. Okay. Do me a favor. I'm gonna take a few pictures here, okay?
Where's the ambulance?
They're coming. Just hang tight for me. Okay, I gotta take these pictures. I know it hurts right now.
Where you were when you were assaulted?
That's all down there.
Where?
I don't know his street name.
You know where you're at right now? You don't know where you're at right now?
Yeah.
Where are you right now?
Her house.
Do you have ID on you?
I got it. I already got a picture of it. Do me a favor. Will you lift your hoodie up a little bit for me?
Do you know where you're at right now, hon?
You know what city you're in?
Open this.
Oh.
Just sit down right there. You're just sit down right here, hon. You hurt?
Yeah, she's got on her stomach as well.
What's with your stomach?
Burns.
Who did this to you, hon?
I don't know.
Do you know where you're at right now?
Do you know what city you're in?
Lafayette.
Okay. Was it a friend that you were with, or?
I don't know who that was. I was a girl.
It was a girl?
Yeah.
Was she black, white, Hispanic?
She was white.
A white female?
Yeah.
Okay. And did she throw boiling water on you or oil?
I don't know.
All right, the ambulance is here, okay?
Okay, good.
So give him a second. Give him a second. She said it was a white female.
A white female did that?
Yeah. Hey, sorry about you. If you don't mind, could you just kind of do a little statement, I guess, about where she walked up and where, or at least if you might have seen what direction she came from?
I honestly, I didn't. I didn't see anything. I just know her. The knock on the door open. She's like, "Hey, can you, call a paramedic? I've been beat up and burned." My first thought was somebody threw her out of the car, beat her up and threw her out of the car. This is how she ended up here. I didn't know she ended up she was way across town and somehow managed.
I don't know how she managed to walk over here.
But yeah, I don't even know. I honestly don't even know.
Yeah, if you could just jot that little part down about a close time whenever. All I need is just your name, your birthday, address, and a phone number. You don't need to fill out this section. I'm gonna scribble this out. You can take it inside and fill it out, and that way you're able to sit down. I know it's gonna be hard to write with 10. Yeah.
Okay, so just my name, address. She's from here?
She's got an Alabama ID, but it says she has an address somewhere. So.
Oh.
But we'll get her taken care of. We appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go.
They can at least give her some medicine.
You might really want to get her face if you want to.
Yeah, I got those there. I just needed the other parts that I couldn't see because she had her jacket on. Okay.
This arm's worse than this arm.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine.
mean ambulances and small spaces don't get along.
Here.
All right.
Got it.
Get out your guys' way.
Now here's where things get interesting. Amanda, barely conscious, severely burned, but she's specific enough to say her attacker was a white female, not a man. Not a stranger who jumped her on the street. A woman. That level of detail, coming from someone who claims to remember almost nothing else, is exactly the kind of inconsistency that detectives are trained to flag. Either Amanda knows exactly who did this and she's protecting that information, or the story she's telling has already been shaped before officers even arrive.
She run off. She run off. I'm like I said, I'm from Alabama. I have no family now. And she run off. Like, when it's time for me to go to work, I work night shift.
Where we were at. You mind if I just take a look around real quick? I ain't trying to search nothing.
Yeah, feel free.
Is that her stuff right there?
Yeah, man, because I'm about tired of this crap, but I mean, like, I'm doing my laundry.
All right, yeah, I got you.
Look, I got
You got what?
I got to cut my water off, wash the
Yeah, well, here, we'll cut it off. Or let's go back here.
Yeah, I need to because it's going.
Does she have a room she stays in, or?
Yeah, that's my girl.
Okay. She's.
Yeah.
What side of the bed is hers?
Yeah, but so what's going on with her?
Well, hey, look, man, not to mess around with that, but this is what we're gonna do, okay?
Yes, sir.
And let's run down to the PD so we can talk there and fill out some paperwork. You're not under arrest or nothing like that, right, man?
What's paperwork?
Huh? Just so you can write a statement and stuff like that. It's not the jail. We don't have a jail in our department, right? It's right here. If you go there, man, and we'll talk to you about some stuff so that we can sit down and talk. Okay? All right?
We can do that here.
Huh?
We can do that here, sir.
Well, that way it's recorded, all that kind of stuff, man. Like I said, you're not under arrest like that. I just would like to talk to you there so that we can talk there, okay? So what kind of family emergency did you have?
Turn the light back on.
She ran off, man. Like, I'm not coming in. She run. Like, when I tell her to go.
When did she run?
She said, man, I text her phone. I called her phone. We talked the other night. Yesterday.
Right.
Well, definitely yesterday.
Was she staying with someone yesterday?
Man, I don't know where she go.
Okay.
But,
So are all her clothes right there, or is there like?
No, she have more. She have dressers,
Right.
and it's 4-bedroom house. She have clothes in that one.
So this is Saturday morning, right? So you were calling her Friday night, Saturday morning?
Thursday night, Friday.
Okay, so that's the night before. What you said, but what was happening last night?
I didn't go to work.
Why?
Because of this.
And you didn't keep trying to reach out to her or nothing like that?
Man, no.
Okay. All right, here's the deal, man. You got your shoes and stuff. Grab your phone. We're gonna go to the police department. Okay. You got any weapons on you, bud? I'm just gonna pat you down before we put you in the car. Okay.
So, pat me down for what?
Make sure you ain't got no weapons. You ain't got no guns or anything on you, do you?
No, sir.
No, that's all. I just want to make sure no one gets shot or anything. Okay.
Why would you say that?
Because I don't want no.
Let me drink my.
Yeah, you're good.
Just 'cause I don't have anything.
You got any weed on you or anything?
Man, I don't
If you
smoke.
do, that's cool.
Man,
It's not to get you in arrest. They're just not going to take it with us. They're going to leave it here.
sir.
All right, you have to leave the beer here, okay? And the cigarette, too.
Yeah, I understand. That's why I was just asking that.
Can you what?
That's why I was just asking her to go ahead and drink my beer.
Oh no,
just-
just
Okay, well, let me, if you don't mind, let me cut my washer off.
No, we're going to go
Because
right
the
now.
water running.
Listen to me. This is
Yeah,
what's
let me
going to
put
happen.
my heat
Listen to me.
I hear
You're
you,
going to
sir.
put the beer down, and you're going to put the cigarette down, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm
We
gonna
need
do
you to
it.
cooperate with us, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna do it. I was
Okay.
just asking you.
No, let's just put that down right now.
you can set it down here or wherever you want to set it. Put it
I
where,
just need to cut the heater off.
No.
here, I'll put it in the ashtray. Okay.
Please.
You listen to him. Listen to him
Yes,
for
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen to him.
Yeah, I'm pulling pants up.
Yeah.
Do I need to get my
No.
phone?
Yeah, you can get your phone. Right here. We'll hold on to that for right now.
No, I'm holding on.
Whoa. Hey, Nick.
It's my.
Hey, man. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me, okay?
Well, I mean,
Somewhere.
what's going on?
So-
All right, so listen, I'm going to be real straight with you. Whoa. What did you just put in your pocket there? Go ahead and empty out
Nothing,
your
sir.
pockets for me.
I was gonna. It seemed like.
Let's go ahead and empty out all your pockets for me.
Sir, I don't have anything.
Hey,
I don't have anything.
look, listen. You are making me super nervous right now, okay?
How's that, man?
Just your demeanor, okay?
I'm asking about my woman and y'all.
All right, so here's the thing, okay? I'm going to
Yes,
be
sir.
real straight with you, right?
Yes, sir.
What you're saying right? As far as the events,
Yeah.
and then where we are, they don't. Some of that stuff don't make a lot of sense. Okay.
Don't reach in your pocket,
Right.
all right? Keep your hands out the pocket.
I'm gonna just empty out
So
your
listen,
pockets.
listen to me, okay? Listen to me. Hey, listen to me. Right now, you're not under arrest, okay? But for you to go in their car, they gotta pat you down, make sure you ain't got no weapons like that. Like I said, okay, that's all they're doing, man.
Yeah, right.
So-
All I asked was, can I turn that washer off?
You already did.
No, I started.
You already did.
I cut the.
We're not gonna hold
I
you on
started
that.
it over. I cut the water off. I started.
Okay.
Is this the key to the door? This is the key.
Give me a
Okay.
flashlight.
Yeah. I don't have anything.
No, I'm saying, I'm gonna go, I'll turn it off. I got you.
Please.
Just go with them,
It was
okay?
running
Where's your
over.
phone at?
Brock, I think Brock's had it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to set your money up there, you can. If you want to take it with you, you can. It's whichever your choice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on with y'all. Oh, excuse me.
You're fine.
All right, brother. All right, that's all.
All right, I appreciate it. Did you cut that heater off?
Yeah, I'll cut the heater off here, okay?
Yeah, just unplug it.
Right, my name's Nick. I'm one of the detectives. I looked at it. What's your name again?
Jarvis.
Jarvis. Okay. Will you talk to me? Can I ask you some questions about all this?
Sure.
Okay. All right. So, like, you guys are having issues, or whatever, right? Like, that man, that's, trust me. I've been divorced. I get it, right? I completely understand. So, when is the last time you saw Amanda? Wednesday or Thursday? Did you see her yesterday at all?
When I came home, I had Popeyes and I had Chinese.
What day was that? What day was that?
The days, my days kind of mixed up because I'm on night, but I was calling, no response. So just look at the phone, man. I don't,
Right.
No, it's on the phone.
Okay. Yeah.
If you can give me my phone, I can show you, like when I call them.
Right.
Got chicken or whatever, but.
So today's Saturday morning.
Right.
It's Saturday morning.
Wednesday night.
So it's Wednesday night, you think?
Thursday night, one. Yeah.
Okay. Now, and you told me over there you didn't go to work last night.
No, I didn't go to work.
Why didn't you go to work last night?
Because I'm worried about my woman.
Right.
My woman she cheating on me.
Right. You know who she's cheating with? You got any idea?
No, I don't know no one down there. As far as I go is work.
Yeah.
Food City, in the store, top of the hill.
Yeah.
OJK, whatever.
Yeah. Up there on King Street.
I
Yeah.
don't know one down there.
Yeah.
I relocated because I was going down the wrong road.
Right.
In Alabama.
Yeah. Got to get away from it, man, so you can start,
Right.
get your life in the right direction.
But, like, you don't have to work.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I need help, but I'm making good. But
Yeah.
I don't want no one breaking the house.
Oh, yeah.
I
Completely.
lost that the last time.
Oh, yeah.
You seen that pole?
Yeah, and I remember, like, I don't remember all the details of it, but I remember reading it. Like I said, I mean.
Yeah. And dog come on missing. That's a high price. That's a.
So as far as you, is there anybody that has like a beef against y'all now, like or anything like
I
that?
don't know no one there.
Okay.
Only folks I know is work.
Right. Okay. Does she have any friends around here that you know of that you hear about?
I don't know who she.
Is she right? Does she ever have like a friend that's a girl come over and anything?
Well, back in the past, like I don't know her name. I've been dealing with her like 14 years.
Yeah. You Amanda.
Yeah. And this girl, like I said, I don't know her name. Like around Hunterby, I'm drunk as a skunk, and I went to work.
Yeah.
And I'm like, be home when I come. Yeah, be at home when I get out of work.
Yeah.
Shit, that motherfucker gone wrong somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, what's going on? We got into it. I'm in jail. I'm in the home.
Oh, she was in jail?
No, she say I called her jail.
Oh, okay. I got you.
I mean,
so you're calling her all that kind of stuff, right? But you haven't seen her.
nah, like last time I saw her, like when I brought the chicken and Chinese. I was still, I'm eating the Chinese now.
Yeah. With all that going on, right? Why's the phone still at your house?
Her?
Yeah.
Man, she get it when she wants to. Like,
Yeah.
she was brush her teeth, she'll do it. If she want a little travel bag, she'll,
Yeah.
that's her property. I don't tell her she can or can't go anywhere.
Yeah. Is she, and this isn't to get her any type of trouble, right? Is she on any type of like drugs or anything that you know of?
She drink.
She drinking?
We drink. I'm not.
Yeah. I mean, I drink too. We're adults. You can drink, right?
Like, we, it's no.
Yeah. Were y'all drinking last night?
No.
No.
Because I was going to work, But around like 7, 8, I don't know, when I told the dude I'm not going in. So I know better to go in because I was drunk as skunk.
Right. Hey, I mean, like I said, it
I
happens.
could have lost my job if I would have been clocked in.
Yeah.
So I know not to go in like that.
Right. Had she been drinking? Had she usually
She
drink
drink every day.
But I'm saying, like, so you said, so
We
last
drink
night.
every day.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is like last night, 7, 8 o'clock, you're like, hey man, I can't come in, right?
Right.
You'd been drinking, right? Like just hanging out, right?
I started drinking after I talked to him.
After, okay.
Right.
You know, did she start drinking then too?
I haven't saw her, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna say it like that. I haven't saw her.
No, like I said, man, I got woke up.
So
I got woke up out of bed this morning, so I'm still trying to figure out too, man. Like I said, I want to make sure she's okay is the thing.
yeah, that's what I'm asking him.
I mean, so and that's the thing is that you know somebody's done something to her, and I don't think it's you. But I want to make sure whoever it is, like you know, we can take care of her, make sure they don't do this kind of stuff again. And I think you feel the same way.
Yeah, and I'm asking him like, what's going on? What's going on? He ain't saying nothing.
I got you. So, in any of the last times you said, and I'm like, has she been arguing a little extra or anything with that lately, or
With who?
anybody? With you,
Yeah,
the wall?
I sleep.
Yeah.
I sleep.
I got
I
you.
spend time with her.
Okay.
I go to sleep.
Okay.
I get up like 7.
Right. So, which one of these is yours? I heard this one be either. This one, the one that ain't broke. And so you said I can look at some of the. Do you care if I look at the messages and stuff? I can go ahead. Okay. You got decode, man.
But look, man, I don't even want to talk no more, man. Like, I just want to see what's going on. Y'all can get me with a lawyer or whatever.
Okay.
But for that, I mean.
Yeah, man. No, like I said, no, that's your business, man. Like I said, and
like, you're a funny chick. Like, can you get some beer? Like, it's 5 there. Yeah, I mean, you saw the text message.
Yeah.
No response.
Yeah.
I mean, like, shaking like when I was calling, like.
Well, like I said, man, you said the attorney stuff like that, and so I don't want to keep asking questions about this.
Ain't going on.
There you go. I'm gonna get them to run you back home, okay? I'm gonna keep her phone, and I'll get it back to her and stuff like that, okay? But she's gonna be in the hospital for a little bit. Like I said, I don't.
What's wrong with her, man?
I don't. To be honest with you, man, I'm not a doctor. I don't know.
And just like that, Jarvis shuts down now legally. That's his right. Asking for an attorney doesn't make someone guilty. But let's look at the timeline he gave us. He claims he last saw Amanda Wednesday or Thursday, yet her phone is still sitting in his house on Saturday morning. He admits he was drunk the night she disappeared. He admits he skipped work and the one detail he kept volunteering, that she was cheating. In homicide and assault investigations, motive rarely announces itself, but sometimes it doesn't have to.